Okay, when it comes to success in the entertainment industry, of course, there are people we can do without talking about them. There are people we can trivialize, all right? And when it comes to people who have made progress in the entertainment industry, you must talk about Benga Adeyinka, number one. Today was Love Matters, and a whole lot of superstars came to praise this occasion, talking about Sir Ebenezer Obey. We have Sir Shino Peters, we have a whole lot of artists and comedians who came to praise up this occasion. But the show was successful. Everywhere was funky and everybody was happy. And myself too, I was happy that I came here. But let's get to watch the highlights of Laugh Matters. Benga Adinka.
I'm a loco, it's so cool. Who is you do that? I'm loco. And love you got me hopeful. When you go up on love, be beautiful. Say no like this, I be no like to come back. If you be like that, that's the something. That's what I so G, God, I believe. Give me on the done. I'm lazy, that I'm for that. I see Shaman. Don't know about that. If I do, Charlie.